Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video, I just wanted to showcase how the OCBC bank SMS phishing scam was actually conducted, how it was actually orchestrated. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see on my screen, there's a huge bunch of code. So don't worry, I'll explain the code line by line, step by step. So we'll start with the first line. So the first line is essentially some boilerplate code that allows us to use environment variables. The next two lines are essentially variables that contain both the API key and authentication token that allow us to access Twilio's API functions. The fifth line is the client variable, and this is essentially a variable that allows us to interface with Twilio's API functions and services, such as the send message. Finally, we have finally gotten into the meat of the program. So first, we have the body parameter. So the body parameter essentially contains the text of the text message. It's essentially what the user will see when we send the SMS over to the user. Next, we have the form parameter, which is essentially the sender ID which will be displayed to the user when he sees the SMS. Lastly, we have the to parameter, which is essentially the number that we want to send the SMS to. I've actually hidden the number in my environment variable for privacy purposes and to prevent doxing. Lastly, we have a callback function which will be activated after we send the SMS. And in the callback function, we will receive a notification in our terminal that the message is successfully sent. Lastly, we activate this whole chain, this whole system with our send message function. Okay, so if you didn't already know, Twilio is this particular customer engagement platform that allows businesses to engage with customers at a global scale. You can do a lot of things with Twilio API. This is one of the best APIs. This is one of the biggest APIs that businesses use, and you can not just message, but you can also video chat, email, and even call them. So if you're interested, feel free to take a look at it. Now, moving on back to the code, let's actually activate this whole messaging system and see how this thing works. So first, I'll bring up my terminal, and I'm already in the root directory. I'm already in the SMS directory, which is where the file, the index.js file, is located. And then I can simply activate this program by typing node index.js. So what I'm saying is that I want to use node, the node program, to actually run the index.js file, which is the name of this file. And once I hit enter, we will receive a notification that the message is successfully sent. And if we were to take a look over at our phone, at my phone, we will see that the message has been sent. And the exact same message has been emitted on my phone. So basically that's it for this short video. So I just wanted to showcase how easy it is to actually do this SMS phishing scam. As you can see, the code is very, very, very simple. So yeah, hopefully this was interesting and insightful. And if it is, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.